What's up, everyone? Welcome back. We have breaking stimulus check news. We have huge articles coming out about the second stimulus check update. Today's Wednesday, September 9th. The very first article right here, you see Fox News. Very official, very legitimate. Stimulus check GOP bill will not include direct payments. You heard it right here. Here, breaking news, Washington Post. Basically, just to go more in depth, I just want to let you guys know that there is going to be hopefully two bills. One that should come out in 2 weeks. One should come out in 4 weeks from then, once the first one comes out. This very first one, though, unfortunately, will not include direct stimulus package, which is kind of bad. I'm kind of upset about it, but we'll get more into depth in this article. Then we have this one right here. Republicans' stimulus plan includes unemployment money, no stimulus check. Basically, if you didn't watch my last video, I highly recommend you go do so. This one just kind of continues off that one. Just right here, breaking news. Again, this third article right here, 3 articles coming out that are saying that we're not going to get direct stimulus payments, but we will get $300 a week for unemployment, which is good, and the $300 a week unemployment will go all the way until the end of the year. Right here, what is not included: a second round of 1,200 stimulus checks, any additional money for cities and states. Basically, it's not the final bill, but right now it is the newest bill that the government, the Senate, and Republicans and Democrats, Republicans have released. And hopefully, like I said, there's supposed to be 2 bills. But then we have this article right here. What did Donald Trump say about the second stimulus check? Basically, as Congress remains deadlocked over a new coronavirus relief package, President Trump has said he definitely likes where the direction is going, but he wants to include $1,200 direct stimulus payments. He said we have $300 billion. Let's use that $300 billion. I don't understand why the leftover PPP money, that $300 billion, why it's not used to use $1,200 direct stimulus payments. And I agree with him, guys. I'm not a Republican, I'm not a Democrat, but with that money just sitting there for businesses and the government and the Senate and the Congress, why are they not using that to send to us? It's absolutely unbelievable. But we'll get more on all 3 of these articles later. Real quick, guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. If you are subscribed and you watch every single video, you hit that like and you comment the word of the day. The word of today, guys, is chicken. Just hit that like, be subscribed, comment chicken. You have a chance to win free Amazon gift card. I post 2 to 3 videos every single day. In every video, you have a chance to win free Amazon gift card. You have to comment the word of the day. You have to be subscribed, and you have to like, comment chicken. Also, make sure to turn that notification bell on and post notifications. You want to make sure every single time I post a video, you get an alert sent to your phone or your email, because, guys, I've been having hundreds of people, subscribers, tell me I'm subscribed and I don't see your video pop up. I post 2 to 3 videos every single day. That's 2 or 3 chances. All you have to do is watch it, like, and then just obviously be subscribed and comment the word of the day. You have a chance to win free money. I'm giving 550 people free Amazon gift cards. Hit that notification bell, hit that subscribe button. You want to check back every 4 hours I post a video, and you don't want to miss it. Why would you want to miss out free news updates? And you want to stay updated and also win free Amazon gift card. It's crazy. I had hundreds of people, like 200 people, tell me I don't see your videos pop up. Hit that notification bell, guys. Let's get right back in the articles. So to continue where we left off, basically things are kind of at a standstill. I don't really know if I'm happy about it. I don't know. I'm kind of like indifferent about it, because one part of me is like, I'm very happy that we're getting weekly unemployment benefit. I'm happy that we're getting $300 a week till the end of the year. That's a lot better than our current system of the states having to apply, because there's not enough money. The reason the states are applying, because there's not enough money for every state to get the money every week, and this system's kind of BS. You can't rely on it. It's not dependable. It's kind of garbage. So I'm very happy that we're getting the $300 a week until the end of the year. That's a good year. That's a good time frame. I'm not really too happy about no direct stimulus package. I know they said, 4 weeks from when the first ones get sent out, the unemployment, you're going to get hopefully a direct stimulus package. But that's relying on Nancy Pelosi to actually come through and do what she says, to follow through. And for whatever reason, call me crazy, I don't believe her. I don't believe that we're going to get a second stimulus package. She might just use the first one, get everything she's asking for, everything she wants, and then just never meet and never sign or send us or agree to a second stimulus package. It's trusting one person too much, especially one person that's showing their colors and showing that they don't care about us. And then right here, again, we do have unemployment, $300 a week. I'm very happy about that. But like I just said, I personally believe Trump is right. Trump is 100% right when he said this right here, when he says we have all Congress has to do is say use it, President. I'd like to use it without their permission, but I guess I'm not allowed to do that. I did ask that question. So Congress just has to say use it. If there's $300 billion, the same exact amount that the first direct stimulus payment cost, if there's that amount of money just sitting there, an unused PPP Rona money, why can't Congress just send it and just tell him just use it, just use that money? I personally would help millions of families, millions of parents, millions of children, people that are having trouble paying their rent, their mortgage, their car bill, putting food on the table for their children, putting their children buying supplies in schools and clothes to go to school. It's absolutely crazy, guys. If we have $300 billion just sitting there that the Congress is using, that Congress isn't allowed Trump to use it, just use it, right? That's absolutely crazy. What can we expect? I personally, guys, I believe that we will receive one. Hopefully it is maybe end of September, second week of October. Again, I am being hopeful. I am being optimistic. It's not backed up by any kind of article. It's not backed up by any trusted news sources. It's my personal opinion. Give it 2 to 4 weeks, I do believe that we will get a direct stimulus payment. Trump wants it, the Republican wants it. The only people that doesn't want it are the Democrats and Nancy Pelosi. I'm neither a Democrat or Republican, guys, but I can tell right from wrong. And what Trump is doing, coming up with different clever ideas, trying to whatever he can do, trying to do the most to think of different ways, different avenues, different ways he can get that money from to give people direct stimulus payments. It shows he cares. You know what he doesn't do? He doesn't say, I'm not feeling like negotiating. Oh, I'm not going to come to negotiations. I'm not going to budge. I know it's a compromise and both sides have to give up. I'm not going to do that. Guys, wear a mask and then doesn't wear the mask. If Trump said he doesn't want to wear a mask, at least does it publicly. At least he does it to your face. He said, I don't like the masks. Unlike Nancy Pelosi, guys, wear a mask. You have to wear a mask, and then doesn't wear a mask. Guys, don't get haircuts. Only things is necessary, and then goes get a haircut. She is hypocritical. She's fake. You could tell right through her teeth. She's lying, guys. She's lying. She's lying in your faces, and I hate that. I hate being lied to. When someone tells you one thing and then does the other, that's very hypocritical. Trump says what he does what he says, and actually he cares. If he's actually coming out with 4 different ways, executive orders, let's do it this, let's do it this way, let's do it this way. Oh, let's take the money from $300 billion. That's him being creative. That's him thinking of ways to put money in your pockets, and I personally like that, right? If it's between Andrew Yang and Trump, I'm gonna vote Andrew Yang, right? That's why I actually I'm neutral. But if it's between Joe Biden and Trump, guys, a lot of people ask me, I'm neutral, but Trump is doing a way better job than the Democrats. But that's pretty much it, guys. Like I said, every single day I post 2 to 3 videos. Turn on that post notification so you don't want to miss my videos. You're getting an alert every single time I post. Hit that like button. Be subscribed. Comment chicken, guys, and then I'll be picking a winner between this video and this video. I'll just search the last word. I'll just put in the word chicken, and also you could type in a little button emojis or whatever. So just type in the word chicken or use an emoji. I'll definitely find you. You'll come up in the random comment generator. Good luck, guys, and if you have the money, please think about donating to my Patreon. $1, $3, $5 a month. All this money just goes put in a fund where I buy more Amazon gift cards. $3, 3 people donating $11 a month. If you have an extra $1, $3, $5, this money will help someone else. You are paying it forward. It does not go to me. I appreciate each and every single one of you guys. You guys are crazy. 26, 23, 28,000 views. Thank you so much. Make sure to watch my channel every 4 hours. I post a video, and every day you have 2 or 3 chances to win free Amazon gift card. Peace.